wake up in a room I do not know, though I've slept here for 10 years in a row. The ghost of who I was at 23, I sitting at the edge just watching me. We don't speak. Oh, the lifetimes I have left behind, buried in the attic of my mind. Some were beautiful, some were broken glass, but like the winter rain, they always pass. I am the sum of every thread they spun, 1,000 different lives all wrapped in one. I remember standing, screaming in the light, fingers tracing stars into the night. A different name, a different coat to wear, a younger heart that had no fear to spare. We were flying, and it hurts to let them go, to watch them fade. The versions of myself that I betrayed. But there is peace in knowing who I used to be. I's just a stepping stone to making me. Oh, the lifetimes I have left behind, buried in the attic of my mind. Some were beautiful, some were broken glass, but like the winter rain, they always pass. I am the sum of every thread they spun, 1,000 different lives all wrapped in one. Just a quiet room, just the evening sun, 1,000 different lives, and I love every single one.